How to enable auto sprint in Minecraft. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can enable auto sprint in Minecraft. So first, you need to have the Minecraft application installed in your device. So simply go ahead and launch or start it. Once you're in the game or in the home page, go to the game menu, then select options, then click on accessibility settings. You will see the sprint option. Here you can choose either hold or toggle. To enable auto sprint, you need to select toggle by clicking on it once and then click on done, and done again to return to the game. Auto sprint is now enabled. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and enable auto sprint in Minecraft. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.